पॉलिथीन का।
It's your polythene. Okay.
मैं
So
ये बना रही था।
yes. So Lamyam, जो toys के साथ आप play नहीं करते हो ना, we have to pack them and we will give it away to some kids. Okay?
No.
Why not? We have to share. Remember, sharing is caring, na?
Yes.
Sharing is
Caring.
yes, very good.
स्विमिंग पूल में
See,
डालेंगे।
we have so many toys. So we're going to
Good.
collect some of the toys which we do not play with them anymore. Okay, we have these ones also. Okay, we'll see. Okay, चलो. सो लविम की बहुत से ऐसे टॉयज हैं जो वो यूज नहीं करता है, पड़े ही रहते हैं, तो वो टॉयज हम पैक करेंगे एंड वी ऑलवेज शेयर हिज टॉयज विद द नीडी किड्स, जो भी हमें बच्चे मिलते हैं हमारे यहाँ कॉलोनी में, उनसे शेयर करते हैं बिकॉज शेयरिंग इज sharing is caring. Yes, we have to share. I'm going to share something very important with you, so don't leave the blog, watch the full blog because I'm sharing something very important and I'm coming after a very long time. मैंने बीच में vlogging छोड़ दी थी, so I really want to share with you why and what was happening and why I took the decision to leave the blog and then I joined again now. And yes, hold this. So while we are packing the toys, I'm quickly going to share how my day went. So today I was supposed to join the gym, but I couldn't go. I was not feeling well. But tomorrow I'm going to try again, hopefully. We did something very productive today. Hana Lavya, we planted some seeds today. तो आप लोगों को याद होगा हमने कुछ महीने पहले प्लांट्स लेकर आए थे हम, और उस नर्सरी का मैंने वीडियो भी अपलोड कर रखा है. तो व्हाट हैपन कि 1-1.5 महीने के बाद वो प्लांट्स ना सूख गए पूरे एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर डेड नाउ. सो yesterday we changed the whole
worm भी आ गई थी ना।
yes, उसमें worms भी आ गए थे बहुत बड़े बड़े. सो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत बेकार रहा है एंड हमने पूरा उसका मिट्टी चेंज करके उसमें खाद डाली है, फर्टिलाइजर वगैरह सब कुछ दवाई डालकर हमने और न्यू सीड्स डालकर प्लांटिंग की आज. और मैं उसका छोटा सा ही आपसे क्लिप शेयर करूंगी. तो इट वाज वेरी मेसी बिकॉज आई वाज डूइंग इट विद दिस लिटिल बॉय. Hana Lavya, did you enjoy? Did you had fun? So that's all we did today, and now we're going to have dinner and go to sleep, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So don't leave. Keep watching the blog because I am going to share something very important, and I promise I am going to try to be regular in the blogs now. So say bye.
Bye.
See you.
See you.
Okay. हाय एवरीवन एंड सत श्री अकाल. सच बोलूं तो कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा कहाँ से शुरू करूं. देयर इज सो मच दैट आई वांट टू शेयर विद यू ऑल. सो लेट्स रिवाइंड अ लिटिल एंड so you all know that I had started my blogging journey with like full of excitement, energy, and suddenly the life just happened with me. Obviously it's not going to be easy, and that time I was doing my job also, and in the beginning it was like I was very much excited and somehow I was managing my job in the house and everything else. Slowly my health starting getting worse, and in the beginning I ignored it. I was like कि हो जाएगा manage, सब हो जाएगा. And but nearly after 2 months of starting my blogging, my health, like it got so worse that I had to be admitted in the hospital. And that was a really hard time for me because सिर्फ मैं स्ट्रगल नहीं कर रही थी, मेरे साथ मेरे हस्बैंड एंड मेरा बेबी भी बहुत स्ट्रगल कर रहा था. माई हस्बैंड वॉज लुकिंग आफ्टर मी and our child also, and everything else in the house. He was doing all the work, and altogether it was too much for us. And I stopped making blogs, and तो मैंने ब्लॉग्स बनाने उस टाइम पे बंद कर दिए थे बिकॉज आई रियलाइज कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है एंड नथिंग इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट देन योर हेल्थ. And blogging is not about posting pretty things, you know. You need to really work on yourself. You have to be very creating and you have to give time for that. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ भी डाल दिया. And yes, so इन कुछ महीनों में बस यही सब चल रहा था. I was not able to do my, like I was not able to balance between my work and then house and then blogging also. It was putting a lot of pressure on me. And 3 days back I just left my job. And yes, so in January I decided that I'm going to resign. And it was a very hard decision for me. And so in January, I gave my resignation, and it was very hard for me. It was very difficult for me because I was actually loving my job. I am a teacher, I'm a dance teacher, and was going very, very well. But I don't know what came into me, and I felt like a no, there is something else for you. And that's why I have left my job, and hopefully now I'm going to be more active for the blogging and everything else. And hopefully I will be sharing my day-to-day activities with you guys. And so yes, right now I am at my home, trying to adjust in my space and settling back to the daily routine, giving time to my child, having some very स्पेशल मूवमेंट विद माई बेबी। और एक बात तो पक्की है कि रीत इतनी आसानी से हार नहीं मानने वाली है। सो हेयर आई एम अगेन, एंड लेट्स सी रीत की ये जर्नी कैसे जाती है। एंड कीप सपोर्टिंग एंड कीप वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज, सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, लाइक माई वीडियोज, डू कमेंट इफ यू लाइक माई वीडियोज और नो। तो देखते हैं रीत की जर्नी कैसे जाती है और रीत की जर्नी का हिस्सा बनते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, सी यू सून।